Guys, we need to review our preparation and presentation for English class.
Don't stress out, Amori. Let's start with Panchatantra. Remember this animal, people, teach us practical wisdom.
Like the lion makers, what was the main lesson of the tale again?
The story shows 4 scholars, but 3 of them only had book learning without common sense, climbed a tree, and survived while the others were eating.
Knowledge is useless without good judgment. Now, what about Tagore's poem, The Timebird and the Freebird?
That poem contrasts 2 different worlds. The tame bird lives safely in a cage, while the free bird soars in the sky. They love each other, but neither can adapt to the other's life. It represents the tension between security and freedom.
Ah, I see. And moving to Middle Eastern literature, we have farming story of 1001 Nights.
That's the tale of Scheherazade. To save her life, she told King a story every night, leaving each one on a cliffhanger. One of her most famous stories is Sinbad the Sailor.
As 7 dangerous voyaged across the ocean facing giant sharks, birds, and monsters, he carried resilience always brought them back home.
What about Chinese literature? We also read the Song of the Great Bell.
Yes, that story by Lap Kadyorn is set in Beijing. It's about Kungai, a devoted daughter, so he sacrificed herself by jumping into the molten iron, so her father could successfully cast the great bell for the emperor. That story shows deep filial piety, unconditional love, and respect for one's parents.
The wisdom from the lion makers, freedom, the Timebird, and survival from 1000 nights, adventures and devotion from the soul of the Belgian.
We've got this month's grade 8. Let's practice one more time and deliver this with confidence.